Hi, I'm Terry from Arcan Trailer. Next segment we're going to talk about the slide out. So this unit is equipped with one slide out here. It's in position right now for traveling. We're going to run it out, but when you're at your campsite and you want to run out your slide, one of the things you got to check is for obstructions. So first and foremost, you want to check outside, is there enough room for the slide to run out? The slide's going to run out, approximately 3 to 4 feet. So we want to make sure that our area is free and clear, no tree stumps, no trees, no bikes, no obstructions. So now that we know it's free and clear, everything looks good, we're going to go inside and run it out. Now, just like the outside, we want to make sure that inside is free and clear of obstructions. So check down the side of the slide, look, make sure that if a cupboard door is behind there or any of your camping supplies or your bathroom door, nothing's popped open, nothing's obstructing these rails from running out. And if your slide is free and clear and able to run out, you're ready to roll. So now that we know that the slide's free of any obstructions, interior or exterior, we can go ahead and push the slide button out. So we'll push that out. Now the slide motor is going to run it out. You'll hear the slide motor running. When the slide gets all the way out, it'll stop running, and you'll hear distinctly that the motor stops. So we're going to run that all the way out till it stops. And there we go. Release the switch and you're done. So with our slide out, we want to make sure that the rubber seals are all in position, they're pliable, they're touching. Maintenance wise, you want to make sure these stay pliable. Another thing, before retracting the slide, it's very important to make sure that it's free of any debris. Something's not blocking, your power cord's not dragging through here or anything like that. Slide toppers are available. What a slide topper is, it's an awning for the top of your slide. So it attaches there and moves in and out with your slide. So any trees, branches, pine needles, leaves, anything that would fall onto the top of the slide, it would just land on the topper and then be shedded away as you rolled the awning, the slide out in. So with no topper, this unit doesn't have a topper, you do want to get up there and check to make sure that nothing's on the top of the slide before you're ready to run it in. It could catch the roof, it could damage the seals. If your RV is parked on a permanent site, it is a good idea to run the slide out in when you're not there and using it. It exercises the motor and the seals, and also any potential water hazards coming in. So in storage, make sure you run the slide out and keep it in the interior position. All right, so that's everything for slide outs. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit any one of our many locations or give us a call and we'll give you a hand. Thank you very much.